Hello and welcome to Whistler. My name is Amanda. I'm the Senior Operations Manager here at Pacific Destinations. Today we'd like to showcase the Whistler Olympic Park and introduce you to Bruce, who's going to talk about all the awesome activities that we can do here in the winter.
Thanks, Amanda. Hi everyone, welcome to Whistler Olympic Park, one of the host venues from the 2010 Winter Olympics. 1/3 of all the medals that were awarded during the 2010 Winter Olympics were awarded from this venue. It is host to all the Nordic sports, cross-country skiing, biathlon, and ski jumping. Here today, we're doing a little bit of the biathlon activity that can be done with all groups.
Hi, I'm Annika. I am the Director of Operations with PDS. We are at one of my favorite venues in Whistler, the Whistler Sliding Center. It's located about a 5 to 10 minute transfer from the village up on Cougar Mountain. Whether you come up here to try the bobsled or the skeleton or a spectator, it's a beautiful experience just to be up here. What we love about this venue is that we can do some amazing events up here. Whether it's a reception after a bobsled group activity, concert, or a breakfast from one of the starting gates. Tons of options, and any hotel or caterer can cater up here. We can't wait to welcome you here in person. Bruce, do you want to tell us a bit more details of what this place has to offer for us?
Thanks, Annika. Hi everybody. Welcome to the Whistler Sliding Center, another host venue from the 2010 Winter Olympics. Here we offer the public bobsleigh and skeleton rides for your group activities. The great thing about it is that it is a truly unique experience. There are only 6 places in the world that offer the general public a chance to get into a bobsled. Whistler is one of them. Come try your shot at driving down the bobsled track. It is the fastest track in the world, reaching speeds of up to 130 kilometers an hour. You won't regret it.
Hi, I'm Hillary, Operations Manager at PDS. We are here today at the beautiful Cougar Mountain talking about different activity options for your group. The great thing about Cougar Mountain is it's only 10 minutes from the main village, and there's so many options that you can bring your entire group here and then all come together again for a catered lunch. I'm going to introduce you to Luke now, who's going to talk more about the activities and what your group can do.
Thanks, Hillary. Here at the Adventure Group, we have 4 different activities in the winter. We have Superfly zip lines, snowmobile tours, snowshoe tours, and at nighttime, the very spectacular Valet Aluminum. We can also customize for group activities to bring multiple activities together at the same time for different smaller groups of people. We have lots of space for catered lunches, any kind of way you want to customize the activity experience, we can do it. We really look forward to having you and your groups out here next winter or in the future. So thanks very much.